everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about economic thoughts of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar was a great leader and a thinker who not only changed the life of millions of people but also shaped India as the biggest democratic nation. He was born on April 1891. His life was full of struggles. He faced caste discrimination from his birth throughout his education and his adult life. But he overcame from all these obstacles and became social reformer and architect of India's constitution. He is called father of India's constitution. Now it's economic thoughts of Dr. Ambedkar. Agriculture and land reforms. Dr. Ambedkar wrote essay on farming and farm holding, in which he mentioned problem of small land holding in India. He suggested land ceiling act so that land can be distributed equally. He also suggests industrialization can solve problem of agriculture sector by creating new employment opportunity and generating capital which can be used for improving the productivity of land. Public finance and taxation. Dr. Ambedkar suggested progressive taxation. Progressive taxation means impose a lower tax rate on lower income group and higher tax rate on higher income group. He also suggested fiscal policy for investment in education, for investment in healthcare, infrastructure and social welfare programs. Monetary policy. Dr. Ambedkar wrote one long paper named The Problem of Rupee, and he was in the favor of gold standard. According to him, gold standard is more stable and better way for controlling money supply. Gold standard means where value of currency is directly related to gold. Industrialization and economic development. Dr. Ambedkar believed government play a very important role in industrialization and economic development. That's why he suggests government intervention for industrialization. According to him, government should adopt a balanced regional development strategy because balanced regional development is must in order to prevent disparities between urban and rural areas. Free market economy. Dr. Ambedkar was also support free market economy. He was an expert economist who suggested free market policies in 1920, including globalization, privatization and liberalization. Indian government implemented these policies in 1991. Economics of a caste system. Dr. Ambedkar believed caste discrimination is major obstacles for economic growth because it doesn't provide equal opportunity to all. According to him, untouchability was not only religious system but also economic system which is worse than slavery. In 1935, he wrote a book named Annihilation of Caste, in which he mentioned caste system is barrier to economic and social reforms. Women empowerment. Dr. Ambedkar was strong supporter of women empowerment. He believed women have significant role in economic development. That's why they should be given an equal opportunity. And he fought for women right through legislation, education and social reform. So this is all about economic thoughts of Dr. Ambedkar. I think you got it and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Take care.